Hey man, yeah, I've got a question. Do you have a tube? No? Okay. Hey man, do you got a tube that I can borrow for a couple days? Hey, you wouldn't happen to have any spare tubes, would you? No? Hello? Hello? I'm not actually calling people, I just want to get this shot. How to fix a flat. This isn't going how I wanted it to. You see, what you can do when you get a flat tire, if you get a puncture, say a piece of glass or a thorn or a nail or something, and you have a tiny little hole in your tube, the easiest way to fix it is to take a screw it into that hole, and then put some silicone or even some wood glue, whatever you have, around it. That way when you inflate the tire, it pushes the screw head up against the inside of the tire and in turn pushes it against the tube, which seals it off. But that method doesn't work when you have like a big slash in your tube, say from like an impact, or if it's just a really old tube and it blows, you can't fix it that way because it's a big gouge and a screw's not going to work because it doesn't fill up that space. Now, because I can't fix the tube that I had like I wanted to, I don't have any tubes left except a 26-inch mountain bike tube. Obviously, not a 26-inch wheel. So I kind of had to fold the tube like a pretzel so that it fits in the wheel, and I don't know if it's gonna work. I like to think that there's no reason this wouldn't work. Ken Park is always the plan. Let's go. guys,
Just to let you know.
that's gonna wrap up today's session. A couple things I want to talk about. Firstly, I'm hyped on how well the 3D printed sprocket video is going. Come Up picked it up, Vital picked it up, it's getting a lot of good feedback, and I'm happy everyone enjoys it. And I had a lot of fun making that video, and so there's definitely going to be more 3D printer based videos coming in the near future. I know tomorrow and probably the day after tomorrow I have a video planned that I think is going to be really good. I think you guys will really like it. I'm 3D printing something. It is a bike part. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm pretty nervous about it, to be honest, but I want to see how far we can push the limits with 3D printing. In typical me fashion, I'm leaving the skate park as soon as it starts to get busy, just because I hate riding and filming like by myself at a skate park when there's just a bunch of people. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hold on a second. If you liked it, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Click that like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get notifications so that you can never miss a daily upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Peace. Peace.